It's May 5th, 2024. Not time to put these tomatoes and peppers out yet, but we're gonna up pot them.
Up potting, or potting up, is simply the process of moving these tomatoes, grown in 1-inch cells, to 3-inch pots. These seedlings have used up most of the nutrients in their cells and need a bigger pot to grow a bigger root system. Getting way too big for these little cells.
Roots don't look too bad. Time to get in bigger pots though. We're gonna plant them deep. Tomatoes can grow roots off their stem.
I like to pick these seed leaves off, and I'll plant up to or deeper than that level.
We've got just a little dirt in the bottom of this pot. This is a 3-inch pot.
Fill soil around the sides of the seedling plug. Pack gently, then add soil about 1/4 inch from the top of the 3-inch pot. Now let's take a trip back in time to February and mix up some seed starting mix. I'm locking these chickens up so I can dig material out of their run to use as one important ingredient in the seed starting mix. You gotta love chickens. They make the best soil and give you eggs. This chicken run material is not straight chicken manure. If I had to guess, I would say it's 97% waste hay and garden scraps, and maybe 3% chicken manure. Straight chicken manure, pulled from the bottom of the coop, would be too nitrogen hot for seed starting mix. But the material from the run is just right. Now I'm screening this material through 1/4 inch hardware cloth. This removes large sticks, rocks, and chunks. This seed starting mix is 1 part chicken run material and 1 part potting soil from the big box store. I also add a little azomite for trace minerals. This is not high quality potting soil. It's just used for filler. All the magic is in the chicken run material. Light, fluffy, and this has all the fertilizer that the seedlings will need. Thanks again, chickies. Now we'll jump forward in time to March 20th and plant our tomato and pepper seeds. I use grow lights and a heat mat, and I plant 3 seeds in each cell or 3-inch pot. Seeds should germinate and sprout in about 7 days. Peppers take a little longer than tomatoes. I choose the strongest seedling in each cell and thin the rest. Now we'll jump forward in time back to May 5th and finish up potting.
and label.
Inside today. It's really windy. Let these seedlings recover before putting them in direct sunlight. A good water and some shade will help them a lot. Grow your own food, your own way. And don't forget to like and subscribe.